What's up, everybody? I got an HP all-in-one here. I'm gonna install this Pentium processor. This is just for demonstration. I'm just gonna show you how to do it if you don't know how to do it. Alright, you see the little arrow at the corner? That has to align with that right there. What we do is, you do not want to touch this surface. You just make sure it falls into place. Don't put any pressure. And then you lock it in. You should hear a sound.
Okay, and then we cruise all the way over to the jug area. And we just,
And that's it. You gotta put heating compound on there.
get Resolute technique.
You just put a little pea size, and that should be enough. That's how I do it.
I don't want to kill that guy, I just kind of felt like it. Kind of annoyed me. I might kill one of my parents once before this stuff.
And this is the heat sink. You put that on top. It'll spread the compound. Screw it in. One corner to the other corner. And you should be good.